He's gonna steal that one out.
Come here, Cochise. Come here. Come here. He's like, ooh, I'm higher on this one. Come on. Oh, that one sunk because it has a hole in it. He's trying to figure out how to freaking get in here and get to that ball. Oh, you okay, mister? Does he want to get in there?
I don't know.
And he just can't like find his way without like
kinda,
tipping the water over?
He's kind of act like he's not wanting to go back in there again.
Come on, Cochise. Come here, baby. Come here.
There he goes.
Oh, that's my good boy. Here.
He's standing.
Don't you dare drown him.
He is not swimming right
Cochise.
there.
He was swimming when he was in there earlier.
Cochise, come here.
Is he standing up?
Yes.
He was swimming earlier.
No, he's swimming a little bit. He's floating a little bit. When he goes, he floats. Come here, Tom. Tom. Come here. Tom. Come here, Tom. Come here.
You see, you're getting caught up in the hose.
That hose is in the way.
Come here, Tom. Or what is it? You gonna get in? Who's gonna get in? Come here, Tom. See? His little feet, Mom? At least we know he's tall enough to not drown.
When he went there the first time, he was swimming. He went around circles by himself.
Look at his body.
Yeah, be nice.
You look like a drowned rat. Look at those legs.
Kikis.
With a long, skinny, yeah, dummy.